Okay, so today we're going to continue solving inequalities. So for number 1, the first thing we would do to solve would be to add 5 to both sides. Then I'll get x is greater than 13 plus 5 is 18. Now that I've solved, I want a graph. So the first thing I'm going to do is put my 0 in the middle. Then, since 18 is positive, it's going to go on the right side. I'm going to write 18. Then I have to look at my symbol. My symbol is x is greater than 18. There's no equal to line, so I'm going to have an open circle on 18. Then I have to decide which way to shade. Since x is greater than 18, I'm going to shade to the right because these numbers to the right of 18 would be greater than 18. Now I want you to try number 2, number 2a, number 3, number 3a after I do 1a. So for 1a it says list 3 numbers in each solution set above. So I need to pick 3 numbers that would make this sentence true. It says x is greater than 18. So 3 numbers that are greater than 18 would be 19, 20, and we'll say 30, because 30 would also be greater than 18. Now, I want you to try 2, 2a, 3, and 3a on your own. So pause this video and try those on your own now. I assume now you've done 2 and 3 on your own. So here are the answers for 2 and 3. X is greater than negative 10. We would graph it going this way. X is less than negative 5. We would graph it going this way. 3 numbers, 3 numbers. If you need more time to copy down the answer, pause the video now, or I'm going to move on. So now if I go on to number 4, I want to solve and get x by itself. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I have an x in the bottom, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. Then these 4s will divide, and I'll be left with just x on this side. I'm going to bring down my symbol. Then if I do 3 times 4, I'll get 12. So I'll have x is greater than or equal to 12. Again, to graph this, I'm going to start with my 0 in the middle. My 12 is a positive number, so it's going to go on the right side. This time, since I have an equal to line, I'm going to put a filled in circle on 12. And it says x is greater than or equal to 12. So I'm going to put my arrow going this way. Now, pause the video and try 5 and 6 on your own. 5, 5a, 5, 6, 6a on your own, as well as 4a. Try those 5 problems on your own. So first of all, the answer to 4a is 12 a solution. Well, if I put 12 in for x, they are equal. So yes, 12 would be a solution. Now, I assume you've done 5a and 6 and 6a on your own. So here are the solutions. X is less than 5, which I would graph going to the left with an open circle. X is less than or equal to negative 25, which I would do as a closed circle to the left. It says, is 6 a solution? If I put 6 in for x, 6 is not less than 5, so no. Is 0 a solution? 0 is not less than or equal to negative 25, so the answer would be no. If If you need more time to look at these solutions, pause the video now. I'm going to move on. I'm going to skip and do number 9. So number 9, in order to solve number 9, I want to do the same thing that I did up here for number 4. Since I have a 9 in my bottom, I want to multiply both sides by 9. Then this 9 will divide with this 9. So I'll have 9 times 5, which is 45, is greater than or equal to 2y plus 3, since my 9 divided with my 9. My next step will be to minus 3 to both sides. So I'll have 42 is greater than or equal to 2y. I'm going to rewrite it up here so I don't run into my number line. And my final step will be to divide both sides by 2. So I'll have 21 is greater than or equal to y. But this is a little bit hard to graph. So I want to rewrite this so it's y, and then I need to flip my symbol, is less than or equal to 21. So now I want to graph my solution. I'm going to put a 0 in the middle, put my 21 on the right because it's positive. Since it's an equal to, I'm going to put a closed circle on 21. Then it says y is less than or equal to 21. So I'm going to draw my arrow going to the left for less than. Now, I want you to try 7 and 8 on your own. So pause the video now to try 7 and 8 on your own. I assume you've done 7 and 8, so here are the solutions. For 7, I'm going to get x is greater than 8. So I'm going to put an open circle on 8 and draw to the right. For number 8, I got x is less than or equal to negative 4. Since it's equal to, I put a closed circle. Since it's less than, I go to the left. If you need more time to look at these solutions, pause the video now. Otherwise, this is the end of video 1. To do the back of the notes, please go on to video 2.